Hello दोस्तों, welcome to my YouTube channel Being UPSC Aspirant. Today I'll tell you about how to make UPSC strategy for 1 year. So you know that a vision without a strategy becomes illusion. So here are certain points that you have to remember while making your strategy. First, do not start your preparation without having a clear strategy. And the second one, strategy formulation should be feasible. Third one, once the strategy will be formulated, do not deviate from it. Okay, so for strategy formulation, you might have a target based strategy. Okay, so target based strategy means the we means ready before prelims, the that is means the maximum syllabus will be finished of means exam before the prelims, and make a short notes on each and every topics of GS, and complete the optional at least once before the prelims exam, and ensure a sufficient answer writing practice before the prelims. So to make a strategy, just create a roadmap. So here we divide our strategy in four phases. The phase one will be goes on a 4 months. In this, you just have to give a mains exam a priority, and the optional subject of means, and daily answer writing based on the editorial that you are read in the newspaper. You have to write daily answer writing practice by these editorials. For those taking a coaching classes, revise what is being taught, but also give rest time to the optional subjects that they choose. For those who are self studying and worried about the general studies, just do not worry about general studies. Start reading NCRTs but give maximum time on optional subject. So we come on phase 2, that is also will be on 4 months. In this phase you have to give the more priority or the maximum priority on the main subjects of GS, and continuous reading the newspaper, but can stop the daily answer writing practice. You can stop it, but continuous reading your newspaper. Start giving full 3 hours main test on GS topics, and then revise the optional, and try to give a few 3-hour tests. Start reading essays one a week or once in a 2 weeks. So here we comes in a phase third, which will focused on prelims, which are because prelims will be coming at that time. So first you have to give your priority only to the prelims exam, and periodically revise the roads from prelims point of view. Attempt maximum number of mock tests that is are based on prelims questions. Work out of a paper solving at least 2 weeks before your prelims, and you can stop reading the newspaper because 1 to 2 months from prelims it will be okay for you. The last phase will be after prelims. When you clear prelims, you come into phase 4. In this you have only provide to, or only give the priority to mains exam. So start with the optional, and first take out such topics of optional subject which you are not covered properly before, and before the result of prelims which arises, just to complete the general studies topics that you left out earlier. Just do that topics before, and keep on revising the notes, because the notes and the revision of that notes is very important, and that's a give full 3-hour test. So after the prelims, after the mains, when you clear the mains exam, you come on the interview phase. For interview phase, I'll give you some tips and some kind of abilities, so that you can take your interview very seriously. So this is all for today. Thank you for listening, and if you like our video, just don't forget to like and subscribe.